classes, and I always just like to take a bit of time at the beginning of the semester to get organized and move all of my deadlines and assignments over to my calendar. So to organize, I like to use OneNote, Google Calendar, and also an agenda. Of course, you can substitute any of these with similar applications. I've been using this method for the past 2 years now, and it's been working really well for me so far. It did take me a bit of time to find out what worked best for me, and during that time I really liked watching these types of videos to get some inspiration and also just see some new ideas. So I thought I'd make my own video and pass on the knowledge. I also wish you all an amazing semester. Also, it would mean a lot if you would subscribe, like the video, maybe turn on the little notification bell. Of course, no pressure at all, not mandatory. So I always start by making folders for each of my courses. So here I have my 4 courses that I'm taking. Another little trick I like to do is to pin my courses to my quick access so I can easily access them. Next, I like to go to my university's course portal, and I'll go to each course and I'll click on syllabus and I'll download the syllabus as a PDF file. I save the PDF in the folder for that specific course, and I also like to add some other folders such as for assignments, textbook notes, lecture slides, or any other files that my professors upload. Then I go to OneNote, and I have sections for each one of my courses. And what I like to do is to insert the syllabus. So I'll click on print out and I'll click on the PDF of the syllabus that I saved. And it will show up. I then like to read through it and highlight any important details. I always like to read the syllabus at the beginning of the semester. It really helps me to know what is expected of me for the course, and sometimes I can pick up on hints for how the exam will be like. I also like to make a little summary of all of the information that I got from the syllabus. So I firstly do my professor's information and how to contact them, then the location and time for my classes. Obviously everything is online right now. Textbooks or required materials, and then just a great breakdown. So all of the assessments that I have for the semester and how much each of them are worth. And lastly, just some helpful info. So like I mentioned, sometimes I can pick up on little hints for how to do well in the course, so I'll write those down here. And I also like to add the learning objectives. So I'll just go back and forth to see the learning objectives and write them down. It's just good to have them so I can always reference them during the semester. Okay, so once I'm done that, I like to make a new page for a schedule for this course. So I'll go back to my syllabus, I'll check the course outline, and then I'll take all of those dates and all of that information and create a table. And in this table, I like to split it up by date, topic, then any required readings, and lastly, any assignments that are due for that week. I also have a general section where I make a schedule for all of my courses. I also make a little table of contents that's color coordinated so I can remember which course is which color. So yeah, I like to add all of the major deadlines from all of my courses, and then I'll be able to reference back to this all the time during the semester. So for example here, that course in yellow, that was the one I was working on, and I just added all of the deadlines in. And then on that same page, I like to make a tentative schedule for the week. So this is really just to help me organize myself for the week. I'm writing all my lectures and my prof's office hours in bold, and then the rest I fill in a tentative schedule for how I can work on all my courses during the week. So for example, I have a lecture on Thursday morning, And then I also have another lecture in the afternoon. So on Wednesdays, I just wrote that I'll be preparing for those 2 lectures the day before. So another example is that on Fridays, I have to do a forum post for this one course, but I have to do my readings and watch the lectures before. So on Monday, I put that I'll begin to do all of that, and then hopefully by Tuesday, I can do my first forum post. Next, I will take all of my major deadlines that I wrote down and put them in my Google Calendar. I always make calendars for each one of my courses, and of course they're color coordinated. And yeah, so here I'm just gonna add my lecture that I have tomorrow. I always go to more options because it allows me to change it so it can be recurrent every single week. And you can do that just by going to custom and then putting the amount of times that event occurs per week and then how many times it will be occurring overall. Then just save it for that specific course calendar. I really like putting everything onto Google Calendar because I have a Chrome extension that syncs with my calendar and I can easily see when my lectures are, and it also gives me reminders. So yeah, the extension is now showing all of my lectures. I can also see the extension no matter which side I'm on. And I can also add new events just from the extension, so I don't have to go to Google Calendar to do that. I'll leave the name below. It's been really useful so far. And then lastly is putting everything into my agenda. I like to use my agenda week by week, so I begin by writing down everything I want to get done for the week, and then I will take and assign that task to a specific day. I like to leave my weekends free if I can, because I usually need more time to finish everything I couldn't during the week. And that's my agenda. Okay, lovely, so this was getting ready for the semester with me. I hope you all enjoyed, and hopefully if you were trying to find out new ideas or new methods on how to organize and prepare for the new semester, this helped you out. I wish you all an amazing semester with very good grades. Bye!